Wow, this guy's mad. He's really upset. I mean, he's in a BMW, so, and a convertible BMW. It's probably an automatic. Jesus. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I understand. Calm down. I understand. I'm talking to you like a fucking man.
No,
I understand.
You're acting like an asshole.
I'm acting like an asshole?
Yeah, because you're not following the laws.
I'm not?
Yeah. And
Me personally? I'm talking to you like a man. Just calm down. I'll go talk to him. I'm sorry that they went by you. Just calm down. I don't like road rage. Sorry.
Hey, I'm not either, but don't...
I get it. I get it. I get it. I'll calm him down.
Cool.
You calm down too? Let's
I'm good. I was fine. Having a good day today.
It's Sunday fun day. Let's just have fun. Enjoy it. Take it easy, man. All right? Be calm. See you later.
Calm your guys down.
Yep. Alright, that's how you calm people down. Sometimes you just need to be calm. There's nothing in life worth getting.
Either way will work out, right or left, but there's always just a bunch of lane changes to do. Whoa, you see that truck? That blue car was trying to work past him?
Yep.
That little blue car just about got squished. Now he's... Oh!
What? Oh my god, that is awesome.
Quality of our lives. Values underlie everything we are and do. If what we value is unhelpful, if what we consider success or failure is poorly chosen, everything based upon those values, the thoughts, the emotions, the day-to-day feelings, will all be out of whack. Everything we think and feel about
So I was involved in a hit-and-run accident leaving work today. As I'm coming up to the stoplight to get onto the highway right here, straight out of nowhere comes this guy. Hits my car like he was aiming for it. And conveniently enough, there just so happened to be a Chicago cop sitting right there who sees the whole thing and pulls up into the middle of the intersection to check it out. The driver that hits me backs up, and right about here it becomes clearly obvious that he's going to take off running and head straight for the highway. Gets on the ramp that's just a few feet right there. The police back up to go chase him, but within a few feet you can see the brake lights turn on and he stops. I pull myself out of the middle of the intersection to go see what's going on, and if I need to wait for additional assistance or anything, as I pull around the corner I can see the cop is just sitting there and he's stopped, and I pull over and get out of my car to check out the damage. Upon talking to the police, they tell me that because he did not commit a felony in the offense, that they were unable to get onto the highway to chase him as it was out of their jurisdiction. Now, for instance, if he was maybe shooting at me, they said, then they would be able to go and chase him, but since that didn't happen, the guy gets away clean, and now I'm stuck with the bill.
Got him. Dude ran the red light.
Right now, so that way when we take off,